I received an urgent call early this morning from my longtime Chinese friend that she's coming to spend the weekend in my place. At first, I wanted to give her excuse that I won't be around this weekend. But on a second thought, I said, let me just allow her to come since this is the first time she's coming to my place. And I've been disturbing her since to visit me. Now she wants to come and spend weekend in my place. So immediately I dropped the call. The first thing that comes to my mind is what am I going to cook during her visit so that she will feel relaxed and comfortable, and also something that will not purge her after she left my home. So immediately I bob into YouTube and start searching for easy Chinese food that I can cook during her stay in my home. And I found about 3 to 4 different easy Chinese food. One of them is what you're about to watch now. Hello my lovely family, welcome to another interesting video. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are welcome. Please do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Every ingredients and the spices I use here will be listed in the description box. So do well to check out the ingredients and you can try it and see how delicious it is. So after grabbing all the recipes that I will cook during her stay, I rush to the bedroom, take my bath, dress up and rush out to shopping mall to get every ingredients I will be using to cook her meal during her stay in my place. You know this joy and anxiety you have when you are having a visitor for the first time, let alone a visitor that wants to spend a night in your place. After I come back from my shopping, the first thing I did was to wash my meat and cut them into smaller size so that I can be able to prepare some meals before she will arrive. Every ingredient I used in making this meal during her stay was 100% organic. You know, Chinese people, they love natural things. So I make sure I got organic ingredients in making this meal so that I won't have any complaint after she left my home. If you are enjoying this video, can you take 2 minutes of your time to share this video, like it and subscribe if you have not done so, and drop a heart emoji in the comment section so that I will know that you love this recipe. To be frank with you guys, after I prepare all this meal during my friend's stay in my place, I fall in love with Chinese food and I can't go a month without making any Chinese food in my home. My kids also love them too. Now that the veggies are 80% cooked, I'm going to add in the meat that I already cooked. Is 100% cooked. So I will test for salt, stir it and cover to cook until the veggies are 90% done. Now that the sauce is ready, I'm going to test it for the final time to know the actual taste of it. Guys, I can't believe that I'm the one that made this sauce. What? The food is ready and my friend is yet to come. I put a call through her and she told me that she's about 30 minutes away from my place. So let me just enjoy the meal first before she come. Testing is allowed. So friends, at the rate of 1 to 10, can you tell us the rating you are going to give this sauce in the comment section? If I'm to rate this meal, I will give it 10 over 10 because this is super delicious. You too can try it and tell us your feedback. Thank you for watching to this end and I will see you again in my next video. Remember, I love you all.